So in this video, you'll learn how to block someone on Bluesky. So the first step is to find their profile. Or if you're seeing that person on the feed, then you can just block them from there. So if you're looking for their profile, you want to touch the search icon and then type in their username or their handle, and then once you found them, select them. If you've seen content from someone and you don't want to see it anymore, then you can just tap on that profile icon, and either way, you'll be brought to the profile for that specific user. Once you've been brought here, you then want to tap on the three dots in the top right corner next to follow, and then you should see the option block account. So tap on block and then confirm your choice to block this specific account. Once you've done that, it will say account blocked, and you can no longer see any posts, replies, or any media from that specific account. If you want to see a list of all blocked accounts that you currently have on Bluesky, then it's fairly simple. You want to navigate to your settings, and under settings, you want to select moderation, and then you should see blocked accounts. Tap on it. From here, you can see all the accounts that you've currently blocked on Bluesky. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.